abasaya bange
yes
koruchi community chinde mbare mbabwa toko boko mbara say government korugusi no problem were nyinge buna basaya bange korugusi mbari say government and this is a question na always akarongo and na live asaje Facebook yane nate basaya naki abasaya kurubagusi e problem were na bara itubwate mbate ko bwata basaya koboko babasukia sande go chigoroiga ase njo nombara buba ko buna naki abara ya bumba abasaya aba mbabwe ndo kubato koboka baika setore osebande weto itani oso community nde chamber wile youths or gusi elected leaders barabasaya barabake none karo mangana nomination ya gocha or barayi abagusi abantu bago support baye kuno ne ticket nabakaka kore mpata itibasaye asemesa ya bageni lakini or none president na appoint CS or under 40 years or CS ya irrigation are under 40 years so at least onye our gusi leaders bako abasa opportunities baba like baba rangilia set table bako abasa na baro maoni yabo kuna ngote buna abasa mbale include ase amangana gusi lakini ase obara ibwa gusi yaro tote buna abasa mbale ase government